Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on additional settings. Here we have to scroll down again and tap on backup and reset option, and here we have to enter erase all data. As you can see, at the very first position we've got reset network settings option, so let's tap on it, and if you are ready, just tap on reset network settings, so you will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network. So let's tap on reset. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.